Hello everyone, got a new model from the brand Rollin. Already did a couple of reviews about models from this brand. And now I got the New York Taxi. Let's have a look at the package first. So here we got some info, freestyle frame if you want to read it. Well, maybe it's better to take it out of the plastic first. Taxi cab series Rollin. I was really happy with the other models from Rollin I got. And that's also the reason I ordered this one. I think I don't have a New York Taxi in my collection yet, and if so, it is probably from the brand Greenlight. Okay, yeah, we were looking right here. New York City yellow cab taxi, New York City. Here we got a nice picture of the New York Taxi. Comes in a display case. Ford Crown Victoria, New York City yellow cab taxi, New York City, New York City, New York City. Hey, it comes with a license plate. I think that is very cool and realistic. Paint looks good. Also, the lensed lights here in the back are okay in my opinion. Let's switch to detail mode. This one is a little bit bulky. What do we got here on the side? Hey, is this here supposed to be on the hood? I don't think so. Well, it looks like it. Yeah, I'm not a New York Taxi expert. Maybe you can let me know in the comments if that it's okay that this is here. Windscreen wipers molded in the glass. Rims are authentic. Let's have a look inside, but before we're doing that, I'm going to take it off the base. 2 screws. Yeah. Plastic base, but with a silver exhaust. I like that. And lots of details. And good rolling wheels. Not super good, but they won't block. Okay, the interior. Here we got the back. And here the front seats. I never drove with a New York Taxi, so I can't confirm that this is an authentic interior, but it looks like it. Yeah. Oh, heating in the back window. Yep. Yeah, also really happy with this one. Very nice, especially because it comes with a license plate. Don't forget to check my other videos about the models I got from Rollin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Click, 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 click. And have a very nice day. Bye.